Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of February 2024 for all the Leo Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of February 2024 for all the Leo Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Leo ascendant people, Sun controls your first house. Means Sun is your ascendant lord. Sun controls first house in your chart. So Sun is a very important planet for you people. Right now, Sun is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Capricorn. Sun will stay in your sixth house till 14th of February. After 14th of February, Sun will move to your seventh house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already present in its strong position because right now Saturn is in its own sign. Saturn is in Aquarius sign. Sixth house will be your court case, litigation, arguments, fights, your competition, any type of competition, either it is a competitive exam or you are competing with elections for position or either you are competing in anything, your court, you are running through some court case, all of these things is seen from sixth house, your hidden enemies. People who don't want good for you is also seen from sixth house, your debt, your loans is seen from sixth house, your daily routine in context of your work is also seen from sixth house. Right now, your sixth house is also in a strong position because Mars is moving in your sixth house and Mars is exalted in Capricorn sign because Mars make your sixth house in a strong. So Mars make your sixth house in a strong position, and right now your ascendant lord is also moving in your sixth house. First house will be you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house. Your general health, your general perception, your fundamental nature, your thinking pattern is also seen from first house. So right now in the month of February, your first house lord will be moving in your sixth house. So we can expect you may have to face some competition, some litigation, some argument, whatever work you are doing right now. Also, if you are dealing with some court case litigation or dealing with some hidden enemies, then we can expect things will turn into your favor because right now your sixth house is in also strong position. Sixth house also represent your strength to withstand your hidden enemies in your life or your opponent in your life. So we can expect great result regarding your competition, regarding your court cases, regarding your loans related matter. You will able to pay your loans back in the month of February, especially till 14th of February, till Sun is moving in your sixth house. After 14th of February, Sun will move to your seventh house from your sixth house in the sign of Aquarius. So when Sun will move to your seventh house, then from seventh house, Sun will also aspect your first house. And Sun is your first house lord, Sun is your ascendant lord, then so that's why we can expect great result regarding your health related matter, journal health, regarding your personality related matter, and your fame related matter. Because seventh house is somehow connected to your fame along with tenth house. Because seventh house is 10 places away from seventh house is 10 places away from tenth house. If we count from tenth house, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So seventh house becomes the tenth house of the tenth house. That's why we see also your fame related matter and your work related matter and your position at your fame related matter at your workplace from seventh house. So after 14th of February, your seventh house will be in a strong position. We should not forget that Sun and Saturn are not considered as friends in astrology, but in your chart, Sun and Saturn will be present in your seventh house, and Saturn is in a strong position. That's why we can say you will get good result regarding your marriage matter if you are married right now. Also, we see your business partnership from seventh house, your meetings, your commitments, your partnership, your legal bindings. All of these things is seen from seventh house, and your fame related matter is also seen from seventh house along with tenth house. So in all of these matter, we can expect great result for all the Leo ascendant people after 14th of February when Sun will move to your seventh house. Also, you need to be take care of your communication related matter when you're dealing with your spouse or your business partnership if you have any business partnership. Because after 14th of February, Sun will moving in your 7th house, and Sun represent ego, and Sun and Saturn not considered friends in astrology. So you might face some difficulty, some argument, some conflict with the spouse and business partnership. But beside this, we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, regarding your fame related matter, and your get together related matter. Because from 7th house, we also see how you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others. We can see increase of fame in your life if your work is somehow connected to fame, like you are a politician, celebrity, or actor, etc., etc. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Leo ascendant people, Mercury controls your 11th house and your second house. And right now, your 11th house, second house Lord is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Capricorn. Mercury just moved from your fifth house to your sixth house after 2nd February 2024 in the sign of Capricorn. And Mercury will move from your sixth house to your seventh house after 20th February 2024 in the sign of Aquarius. 11th house will be your money matters, your incoming gains in the form of bulk, in the form of money seen from 11th house. Your gains of appreciation, gain of respect is also seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes seen from 11th house. Your friend circle, your professional circle, and your elder brother and sister is also seen from 11th house. Second house will be your family matters seen from second house. Your early upbringing is seen from second house. Your savings in the form of money, in the form of jewelry, all of these things is seen from second house. Your bank account, your wallet, your pocket is also seen from second house. Your speech and your food intake habits and your mouth region is also seen from second house. So in the month of February, your second house or 11th house, both the houses connected with your money matters will be moving in your sixth house till 20th of February 2024. So till 20th of February, as we discussed previously, your sixth house is right now in a strong position. That's why we can expect great result regarding your earnings related matter and your gains related matter. Like as we discussed previously in some section, if you are dealing with some competition court cases regarding money matters in your life, then we can expect gains of money and things will turn into your favor, because 11th house of gains lord will be moving in, money lord will be moving in the house of conflict, in the house of argument. Sixth house is right now in a strong position, so things will turn into your favor if you are dealing with these things in your life. Also, your second house lord is moving in your sixth house, and as we discussed previous videos, second house, sixth house, and 10th house always connected with your earnings. The money you earn from your hard working is seen from second, sixth, and 10th house. So your second house lord will be moving in your sixth house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your earnings related matter at your workplace. But right now, Ketu is moving in your second house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. So Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your sixth house. You may have to face some difficulty regarding your communication related matter. You may have to face some argument with your family members or your close ones in the month of February due to presence of Ketu in your second house. But rest all the thing we can expect great result regarding Mercury related matter due to presence of Mars and Sun in your sixth house, and right now your sixth house in a strong position. After 20th of February, when your 11th house and second house Lord will be moving in your seventh house, so you need to be take care of your communication related matter. You may have to face some argument, some conflict with your business partnership and your spouse if you are married right now. If you are single, then we can expect good proposal in the month of February, especially after 14th of February when Sun and Mercury both will be moving in your seventh house in the month of February. So your second house lord will be also moving in your seventh house after 20th February 2024, and from second house Mercury will also And from seventh house, Mercury will also aspect your first house, means your ascendant. That's why your second house lord will be influence your ascendant. Exactly, Mercury will have direct influence on you after 20th February 2024. And Saturn is also present in your seventh house. It's a strong position. And Mercury and Saturn are considered as friends in astrology. So that's why we can expect good result regarding your money related matter, regarding your savings related matter, and your money related matter in the month of February after 20th of February. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Leo ascendant people, Venus controls your 10th house and your third house. And right now, Venus is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Venus will stay in your fifth house till 11th of February. After 11th of February, Venus will move to your sixth house in the sign of Capricorn. 10th house deal with your work environment is seen from 10th house, your fame, your authority in life is seen from 10th house, your work related matter, your work environment, your superior, your bosses, how much fame you will have in your life, how far you can go in your career is also seen from 10th house. Third house deal with your communication, your younger brother and sisters seen from third house, your ability to do efforts in anything in your work, especially seen from third house. Your cousins, neighbors, childhood friend is also seen from third house. But basically, your communication and your efforts is seen from third house. So right now, your third house and 10th house lord is moving in your fifth house. So we can expect good result regarding your work related matter. As we discussed previously, fifth house also deal with your position at your workplace. And right now, your fifth house lord right now right now your 10th house lord is moving in your fifth house. So that's why we can expect great result regarding your mental abilities, because fifth house will be your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your intelligence is seen from fifth house, your children's, your love relationship, your early upbringing, your children's, your love relationship is also seen from fifth house, and your early education is also seen from fifth house. First of all, if you are in education lab, then we can expect great result regarding your education related matter. Also, we can expect great result regarding your children's related matter in the month of February, because your 10th house lord is moving in your fifth house, and 10th house considered as good house in the astrology, and 10th house lord is moving in your children's house. Also, as we discussed previously, you will get good result regarding your work related matter and your post related matter at your work in the month of February. And right now, your sixth house of competition lord is also in a strong position. That's why we can expect great result regarding your fifth house related matter in the month of February, especially till 11th February 2024. Third house lord is also moving in your fifth house till 11th of February. So third house will be the communication. So we can expect you will do a lot of communication. And we can expect you will do a lot of communication with your children, with your love relationship in the month of February, and you will deal a lot of these matter in your life till 11th of February. After 11th of February, when your third house lord will be after 11th of February, when your third house lord will be moving in your sixth house, in the house of conflict, in the house of court cases, and third house also deal with your efforts, as we discussed previously. So your efforts lord will be moving in the house of conflict after 11th of February. So after 11th of February, we can expect great result regarding your court case litigation related matter. Things will turn into your favor due to presence of third house and 10th house lord in your sixth house, as we discussed previously, sun section and Mercury section. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about moon. For all the Leo ascendant people, moon controls your 12th house, and right now moon is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of February, and on the basis of 6th February we are predicting for whole month, because moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in single video for every house in a monthly prediction video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. First of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th, and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem, and difficulties in our life because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow, issues, problem, and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Leo ascendant people, Mars controls your ninth house and your fourth house. And right now, Mars is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Capricorn. Mars is just moved from your fifth house to your sixth house after 6 February 2024 in the sign of Capricorn. Ninth house deal with your father. Teachings of father is seen from ninth house. Your DNA is seen from ninth house. Your higher education, your postgrad education is seen from ninth house. Your travel related matter, your religious matter, your religious inclination is seen from ninth house. Your teachers, mentor, advisor, lawyers, and second marriage is also seen from ninth house. Fourth house deal with your mother. Your emotions seen from fourth house, your relationship with your mother is seen from fourth house, your mother's health is seen from fourth house, your properties, your vehicles, how much comfort you will have in your life is seen from fourth house, and how much conveniences you will have in your life is also seen from fourth house. So right now your fourth house and ninth house Lord is moving in your sixth house, and Mars make your sixth house in a strong position because Mars is right now present in its exalted position in your sixth house. Because whenever Mars is present and moving in your and moving in Capricorn sign, Mars is considered as exalted state, and right now Mars is in. And so right now Mars is in exalted state in your sixth house. So that's why we were saying in Sun and Mercury section you will get good result regarding your court case, litigation, arguments, etc. related matter because Mars is right now in a strong position and Sun, your ascendant lord, is also moving in your sixth house. So you will get good result regarding all of this matter in your life. Just also your fourth house lord is moving in your sixth house. So if you're dealing with some court cases regarding your property matter, then also we can expect things will turn into your favor, and you will get gains of money in the month of February due to presence of Mars in your sixth house. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of February. We will have four major astrological events in the month of February. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your sixth house, and Sun will move from your sixth house after 14 February 2024 in your seventh house in the sign of Aquarius. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your sixth house, and Mercury just moved from your fifth house to your sixth house after 2nd February 2024 in the sign of Capricorn. And from your sixth house, Mercury will move to your seventh house after 20th of February 2024 in the sign of Aquarius. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your sixth house, and Mars is just moved from your fifth house to your sixth house after 6 February 2024 in the sign of Capricorn. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your fifth house, and Venus will move from your fifth house to your sixth house after 11 February 2024 in the sign of Capricorn. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of February 2024 for all the Leo ascendant and share. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.